in between being a hedonic participant who is unaware and a dogmatic, disciplined, serious person who's equally unaware is the path of harmony, which is in conscious participation. Remember, friends, that we live a life governed by this mind, which is nothing but a collection of memories and data input, some of which was controlled, some of which came before we could control our mind. So through social narratives, family narratives, parenting, and the fear and lack with which they happened. And that created this mind complex for you, which is hell-bent on having and doing. And that's why you never rest. It's always on the vigil. And that's why it protects your ego. This is my identity. This is how I am. But imagine what was there when both of these things weren't. Your having and doing mindset wasn't. Was being. And being was enough. Because being taught you your greatest lesson of breathing. You weren't chasing something. You weren't being told by someone. But it came by itself when you first took your first breath. So, being is enough. And if you can be wholly in this present moment, which means denial of the mind, letting go of thoughts, the thoughts that are always consciously, subconsciously hell-bent on having and doing, and now more so because the subconscious play of social media governs your mind and takes you away from present moment and reduces your attention span on your witnessing. You have borrowed dreams, borrowed goals, borrowed sense of cool and trends which you want to follow, look good in someone else's eyes, who are themselves blind. So, being is something where when you invest your energy towards opening up to being, because it's a realignment, not something you get to because it's always present in you, then that's the best, I think, investment of your life's energy. So make effort, devote your soul towards being, and then grace will help you, because it's a two-way street. Grace will walk towards you when you walk towards it, and nothing less than your whole soul of effort would do there. And remember this, my friends, this is the only honest path in life, because everything else can be hidden. You can actually never have something that you have not worked towards. Everything is a myth. You can make money, wealth, this, that, all of these insignificant illusory things, life, girlfriend through a scam, scheme, whatever it is, but you can actually never have anything worthy without devoting yourself to it. Because at the end of your entire processes, what remains with you is a sense of being, and that being knows. So devote your energy towards taking everything away from you that stops you from being whole in this present moment. And that's the greatest gift to give yourself on this Sunday.